Welcome back, Squishy fam. What do we have today, Mama Squish?
So today we have 2 Star Wars mystery boxes from our friends at Storybook Swag.
Ooh.
I know. So Scotty and Nikki have given us an exclusive code to share with you. So it is Squishy10. So if you put that code on when you head to their website, you can get 10% off all their full price items. I know,
That's
such a good deal.
amazing.
Any time of the year. So make sure you check out their website. But for now, we've got another 2 of their mystery boxes. Now, these mystery boxes that we've had previously, we've bought them out of their horror. So there's no more horror.
Yeah.
But the last ones we got of the Star Wars were amazing. So I've got high expectations. So
Same.
shall I get them open?
Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I am the youngling. The younglings must perish.
Ooh. There's one in a protective
case.
Well, you can see the first one, so grab it out.
Might as well.
Oh.
It's the child.
Oh, it's Grogu.
The child has been born.
Oh, he's so cute. You know, I have. So when they bought them out, one of those very first AI technology Grogus, Dad had bought me one.
Yeah.
And then Squishy
Boo just took it.
I know. She was a baby and she just loved it. So it's been hijacked. All right, do you want to grab that one?
Yep.
All right, my
put
turn.
that about here.
Yep. Oh, there you go. Give you some room. All
Yep.
right.
Who's that? The original Boba Fett.
It is so cool. That is a great pop. I think Dad has got that one.
Yeah. That's amazing.
That is such a good pop. It's got that original pop shape.
Yeah, that they used for all the pops back in the day.
All right.
All right. Well, I see another one. Personally, one of my favorite characters, Darth Maul.
Darth Maul. That is so good. Oh.
Honestly, I'm happy for this to go into my collection just because I have one of the pops already. It's just a naked pop, so it's out of the box. That's the only issue.
That is so cool.
But yeah.
Even his
double lightsaber.
It's like transparent.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
I actually really like that pop.
You got spoiled there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh,
Ooh.
Who's that? Fennec Shand. I may be saying that wrong. She looks awesome.
Pretty sure she might be from...
yeah, she's...
Yeah, from Boba Fett.
Book of Boba Fett.
Boba Fett TV show.
Okay.
Sure.
I actually haven't heard of that. Is that like a Netflix or something?
Yeah. Kind of like The Mandalorian.
Or Disney. Disney.
Not Netflix.
Oh, well, there's so many streaming services these days.
All right, let's see. Ooh, the original Finn.
Oh, that looks good.
The sticker's been ripped off, sadly.
Oh.
That would have been so nice.
Was it an actual Funko sticker or something? Or
probably.
Or was it maybe a
price
shelf
tag?
Stick? I don't know. We'd have to have a look into
I love
that.
the lightsaber on him, though.
The blue.
Yeah.
I love the blue ones.
Yeah. The Jedis.
Jedi.
We'll grab that off.
All right. Oh,
Ooh.
it's Princess Leia.
Oh, that's so cool.
I reckon. Oh, what happened there?
What happened?
We lost our spinny.
No, not the spinny.
That's all right. I reckon. What episode do you think that? I think that it says Disney on the back, so it could be part of the one of the newer movies.
Yeah, probably. She looks a bit older.
She does look a bit older. I think that is definitely one of the her last movie she did.
Yeah, kind of sad. But...
Yeah. Like if we have all these shows, legacy shows. All right.
Let's see. Ooh, who's this? Luke Skywalker when he's older. That's really
That would be
cool.
the same, I reckon, around the same
time as the Princess Leia, maybe.
Possibly, but they look like different boxes.
They are different boxes, yeah. Oh, there's an H3 right there. That's kind of cool.
Oh, I'd never seen that. H3 on a Funko Pop.
Yeah, because sometimes they can be like 18 plus, depending on like what's on the Funko Pop.
Oh, like the naked ones?
Yeah, well, they don't really show them naked, but like, let's just plop that over here.
All right, my turn?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one. Oh, Star Wars Gaming Greats. And this was Iden Versio. I could be saying that wrong.
Eden?
Iden. It starts with an I.
Yeah, Iden Verso?
Versio. I don't know.
I don't know, yeah. Some of these names are confusing.
Yeah, it's a special edition. I actually haven't seen one with a sticker like that before.
Yeah, I
These
actually
are
really
good
like
pops.
that. Yeah, 100%.
All right.
Alright, I'll grab my second last. Ooh, it looks like another older pop.
It's Poe.
Pope.
Poe.
Poe
Dameron.
Dameron. I'm sorry if I butchered that, all the Star Wars fans. I'm sorry.
That's hey, I'm not doing any better. That is a cool pop.
Yeah.
I like his character. All
Pretty
right,
cool.
my turn.
Oh, yep. I'll take this. Plop that right on top of Grogu.
It's
What's that?
Ben Solo.
Ooh,
that is
that
cool.
is cool as.
And he's got a blue lightsaber. How I thought he had a red one.
Well, some people were Siths. I mean, not Siths, Jedis, but then turned to the dark side. So they still keep their blue lightsaber until they
Turn bad.
turn it they put all the dark energy into it and turn it red. That's how
Really?
That's how the lightsabers become red. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
All right, my final one, the one in the protective case. I saved it for last. Ooh, who's this?
Cara Dune
Cara Dune.
from the Mandalorian series.
Ooh, don't know why that's in a case, but
We'll have
Must
to check
be
out.
rare,
We might
yeah.
have to check out the prices. It could be vaulted.
and then it's worth like $1,000.
I don't know about that, but hey, if
I'll
it
be
is,
happy
you've
in my
scored.
collection.
Oh, look
Oh my god,
at this. Boba Fett, and it is a special edition,
red.
and
It looks like a diamond, like a ruby.
it's a ruby red, shiny Boba
Yeah.
Fett. I've never seen this one before.
Oh, that is cool as.
I like anything different, especially if it's shiny or glittery.
Exactly.
The
red looks cool.
that does look cool. I think we did extremely
Yeah.
well. So what did you think?
That was an incredible box.
Oh, both boxes. Like this. Oh, what's your favorite?
Ooh. I say it has to be this Boba Fett from yours. I'm sorry. I love it.
I know. Well, look, I do like the Darth Maul.
Mm.
He's pretty cool. Look, they're all really good pops. I can't complain at all. Like for the
100%.
price, it was $50 Australian dollars. Plus, we got a further 10% off with our Squishy 10 code.
That's amazing.
So look, really happy. Now we're going to have to find some more room in our collection.
Yeah.
But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so then we can continue to keep bringing content to you. But until next time, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.